Okay, the last part of this is we're going to look at this Euler or Gauss's, the method of Gauss, to do a quick calculation of various things. So we're going to do two of them. And if you read the textbook, the problem, just above the problems 43 through 47, you'll see that the problem was Gauss's teacher asked them to add the numbers from 1 to 100. And so everybody else was taking 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. And so that could take you quite a while. But what Gauss did was he realized that if he took the numbers and arranged them, there's going to be an even number of numbers. And they're going to match up, so that if you add the two, if you add this one plus this one, you get 101. And if you add the two middle ones, you get 101. And if you take any of the other combinations, 2 and 99, you're going to get 101. So we have that. How many times does that happen? Well, it happens 50 times because we go 1 through 50 is one pair, and they pair up with the other half of the sequence. So if you take 101 times 50, 101 times 50 is, well, you think about how do you do that quickly? Well, 50 times, that's really equal to 100 times 50 plus 1 times 50. So this is going to be 5,000, and it's going to be 50, so it's going to be 5,050. And so that's the answer, and you can do it much quicker. So the problems we're going to look at are 43, which is going 1 to 200. So it's the same kind of concept. You're going to have in the middle 100 and 101. And when you add these two together, you get 201, and you add these two together, and you get 201. And there's going to be 100 of those cases. So it's going to be 100 pairs times each pair adds up to be 201. And so that's going to be 200 times 100 plus 200 times 1. And 200 times 100, well, you know, it's going to have a 2 on the end of it. That question is how many zeros do you have? But a couple of ways of doing it. One is you could change it to scientific notation, which you may not know about. But if you think about 1,000 times 1,000 is 1,000,000. 100 times 100 is 10,000. So it's going to be closer to 10,000 than just to 1,000,000. So it's not going to be 200,000. That's too close. So it's going to be 20,000. And then the second part would be 200. So the final answer is 20,000. I guess I did something wrong here. Oh, yeah, this is 1 times. Just make sure I'm doing this right here. Oh, it's 1 times 100. There, so that's wrong. That's 100. That's 100. So it's 20,100. Okay, let's do one more. And so let's do 46. So we're going to 2,000. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus da da da. Then we come over here to 1,998 plus 1,999 plus 2,000. Well, where's the middle of this thing? Well, the middle is going to be halfway between 1,000 and 1,001. So we take 1 plus 2,000 be 2,001. 2 plus 1,999 is 2,001. So it's going to be 2,001. And how many pairs do we have? Well, we have 1,000 pairs. We go from 1 to 1,000, and those match up with the other numbers. So we get 2,001 times 1,000. And that's equal to 2,000 times 1,000 plus 1 times 1,000. Okay, 1,000 times 1,000 is 1,000,000, so 2,000 times 1,000 is 2,000,000, so it's going to be 2,000,000. And 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. So when we add these two together, we get 2,001,000. Sure that right? Yep, that's correct. Okay, so hopefully you see the pattern.